This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency on Robinhood. First, you'll need to open a Robinhood account and complete the necessary verification steps. This usually involves providing some personal information and linking a bank account. Once your account is set up, you can fund it with as little as $1 to get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. After funding your account, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Here, you'll see a list of available coins, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Take some time to browse and research the performance and market trends of different cryptocurrencies. Understanding their history and potential can help you make informed decisions before investing. Once you've chosen a cryptocurrency, select it to view its details page. You can then enter the amount you wish to invest, either in dollars or in units of the coin. Robinhood allows fractional shares, so you don't need to buy a whole coin. Carefully review all the order details, including the total cost, before confirming your purchase. It's a quick and straightforward process. After your purchase, your cryptocurrency will appear in your portfolio. It's a good practice to monitor your investments regularly to stay informed about market fluctuations. You can also set up price alerts within the app to notify you of significant changes. Remember, diversification can be a smart strategy, so consider spreading your investments across various assets over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.